Intermittent fasting has been a popular buzzword in the health and fitness world for several years now. It promises benefits ranging from weight loss to improved mental clarity. But with all the hype, it's important to ask, is intermittent fasting right for you? Should you try it? In this video, we'll be breaking down the pros and cons of intermittent fasting, looking at its effects on health, fitness, and your everyday life. Let's dive right in. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is not a diet in the traditional sense. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. Essentially, you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. Fasting means you don't eat or drink anything with calories. This eating pattern is not about restricting food, but about timing your food intake. Let's talk about the pros. 1. Weight loss and fat burning. Arguably, the most significant benefit of intermittent fasting is its potential for weight loss. When you fast, your body burns fat for energy, leading to fat loss over time. During fasting, your body has more time to burn stored fat instead of using sugar from food. This is one of the main reasons intermittent fasting has gained so much popularity in the weight loss community. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting helps to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body becomes better at processing and utilizing glucose. This is especially important for those at risk of type 2 diabetes. When insulin sensitivity improves, your body can better manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Cellular repair and autophagy. Another incredible benefit is autophagy, a process in which the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new, healthy ones. When you fast, this process is triggered, leading to improvements in skin health, muscle repair, and possibly even longevity. Research suggests that autophagy might protect against diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease by removing damaged proteins and cells from the body. Let's take a look at some of the challenges you might face. 1. Hunger and cravings. One of the most significant challenges with intermittent fasting is the hunger. During fasting periods, especially at the beginning, you may experience intense hunger pangs, which can make it difficult to stick to the fasting window. Cravings can be overwhelming, particularly for those who are used to eating frequently or have low blood sugar levels. Over time, the hunger usually becomes more manageable, but in the beginning, it can be tough. 2. Disruption to social life. Social situations can become tricky when you're fasting. Whether it's family gatherings, dinners with friends, or work events, fasting can make it hard to participate in meals with others. 3. Nutrient deficiency. Intermittent fasting could lead to nutrient deficiencies if you're not mindful of your food choices during eating windows. If you don't eat a balanced diet, you may miss out on essential vitamins and minerals, leading to deficiencies over time. It's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating periods, ensuring that your body gets all the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. 4. Impact on energy levels. While many people report increased energy after adapting to intermittent fasting, others may experience a dip in energy during the fasting window. This could be particularly problematic for people with high physical activity levels or those who perform intense workouts. That's all for today's video. I hope this breakdown of the pros and cons of intermittent fasting helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences with intermittent fasting. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.